In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks trolling motor. We have featured a 12-volt, 38-pound trolling motor. However, this guide can be followed for the 12-volt, 55-pound model as well. Your trolling motor may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the trolling motor out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Installing the propeller. To install the propeller, begin by inserting the shear pin into the hole on the motor shaft. Align the propeller with the shaft and slide it into place over the pin. Next, place the washer onto the shaft, followed by the propeller nut. Tighten the nut securely until the propeller is firmly attached. Do not over-tighten. Step 3. Mounting the motor. To mount the motor to your boat, place the bracket on the transom and tighten the clamp knobs until the motor is secure. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the bracket. Step 4. Installing the battery. When using the 12-volt version of the Greenworks trolling motor, it's important to know that the battery is sold separately. The motor is compatible with any deep cycle marine 12-volt battery, but for the best performance, it's recommended to use one with a minimum rating of 105 ampere hours. When connecting your battery, make sure the twist tiller handle is in the off position. Connect the red lead to the positive terminal and the black lead to the negative terminal. Use the tightening nuts to secure the leads to the terminals. Step 5. Adjusting the motor depth. To set the motor at the right depth, start by holding the shaft firmly. Then loosen both the steering tension knob and the depth collar knob until the shaft moves freely. Slide the motor down to your desired depth. Make sure the top of the motor is submerged at least 12 inches below the surface. This helps avoid surface agitation and ensures the propeller is fully underwater. Once you're happy with the depth, tighten the depth collar knob to lock the motor in place. And remember, never operate the motor while it's out of the water. Step 6. Adjusting the bracket. The bracket allows you to position the motor vertically, angle it for shallow water, or tilt it completely out of the water. To adjust it, hold the shaft securely, press and hold the tilt lever, and move the bracket to your preferred angle. Once it's in position, release the tilt lever to lock it in place. Step 7. Adjusting the speed. This motor offers 5 forward speeds and 3 reverse speeds. To increase reverse speed, turn the twist tiller handle counterclockwise from the off position. To increase forward speed, turn it clockwise from off. This gives you full control over your movement on the water. This model features an extendable tiller handle. Maintenance tips. To keep your motor in top shape, avoid letting brake fluids, gasoline, or petroleum-based products come into contact with the plastic parts, as these can cause damage. Also, steer clear of strong solvents or detergents when cleaning the housing. Storing the motor. When storing your motor, make sure all electrical parts are dry and that the battery is removed. Wipe down the housing and plastic components with a soft, moist cloth, and check for any loose or damaged parts. Replace or tighten anything necessary, and if needed, consult an authorized service center. Keep the propeller free of weeds and fishing line, and smooth out any nicks or rough edges using a file or fine sandpaper. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.